We have the store class folder here. Let's create all necessary files. Damn, sorry, forgot. Give a like to this episode so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Let's go. The first file named _init_.py for making store class folder as Python package. It will be empty. We will observe this file in other episodes. Next file named _main_.py. It will be necessary to show how main works. It is the root of our practice today. We will make it full in a while. And the last file we need for this example called store.py. This file will contain a simple object and function for the example. Let's start by creating a simple dictionary with, for example, store products: apple, tomato, lemon. Next, create a simple function to display product information. Now, let's write the code in the _main_ file. To do this, we will need to import the sys module, which is needed to transfer and process arguments passed by the user. Next, we import the function from the store.py file. Now let's see how it works. Run our package in the terminal using a hyphen and the M option. If we do so, we will get an error, no module named store class. Why? Because we are in it and have to climb to a higher level in the directory tree. And now, if we run the same expression with the argument, let's say, apple, then we will get the information we need. We can repeat the same for other elements. If we try to get information on a product that we do not have, we will get an empty dictionary in response. For example, a cucumber. We make sure that we don't have a cucumber here, and we output an empty object. I suggest you also look at how the import of the main library works and what information it can reveal to us. Call Python from the console. Import main. But let's reveal its contents using the dir function. That is, the main module has 8 standard parameters, such as annotation, built-ins, doc, loader, main, name, package and spec. Let's quickly go through them all. For comparison, let's import our store class package and see what's inside. Almost the same, except for the annotation, and the cached file and path parameters have been added. If you call built-ins, the code will return all built-ins functions. The cached parameter will show the cache file of our package. The doc is empty, we did not add documentation to the package. The file parameter returns the path to the package's init file. Name shows the name of the package as well as the package parameter. The path parameter shows the path to the package in the form of a list. The spec parameter returns a module spec class with basic information about the package. Now, using the example of our file store.py, we will consider such a construction as if name equals main. Inside, we will display the phrase, "I am not imported." Call it in the terminal. But what is it? We get an error again, that there is no such file here. You need to go to the package directory. We see that the print was completed. And if we try to import the file as a library, we get nothing. We can look at its contents. So, the point is that if we import the file as a module, we do not see it below the if name equals main structure. And when we execute the file, the result is displayed. Let me show you another example. Thank you for watching. Please, give a like for support this channel. Write comments, share with friends, and subscribe to see new series. Be safe. Bye.